Good morning everyone. My name is Ishil Niji. I am from 4D. Today is 22nd April. We are celebrating Earth Day. This day is celebrated to raise awareness on saving Earth. Today in primary phase, grade 3 and 4 students visited grade 1 and 2 to spread awareness on the importance of Earth Day. By this, we all got an opportunity to develop public speaking skills.
Hello everyone. Today I am excited to speak about being a sustainability superstar. Do you know what the sustainability means? It means taking care of our planet so that we and future generations can live happy and healthy lives. A sustainability superstar is someone who helps the earth every day. And guess what? We can all be one. Here are some ways we can shine like a superstar. Reduce, reuse and recycle. We can use less, find new ways to use the old things. And recycle paper, plastics and metals. Save energy. Turn off fans and lights when it's not needed. Save water. Close the tap while brushing your teeth. Plant more trees. Trees gives us clean air, shade and homes for animals. Say no to plastic bags, use cloth bags instead. Even small actions can make a big difference. By working together, we can protect our planet from pollution and climate change. Let us promise to be kind to our earth on every single day. Let's be sustainability superstar and inspire others too. Thank you.
Good morning all. My name is Sival Jeril. I am from grade 4B. Today I come here to present about a speech about sustainability superstar. First of all, you know what's the meaning of sustainability? Yes, sustainability means maintaining the world we live in. The main idea is that we should act responsibly so that it will be able to support many generations to come. There are only limited resources on the earth which are exploited every day to produce cars, houses, buildings, etc. If you want to know something is sustainable, first you should ask yourself, can I do this forever? For example, plastic. We use plastic for every time, like we use plastic for food containers to toys, bottles, etc. Plastic will take millions of years to decompose. So now you ask yourself, can I do this forever? The answer will be no. Here are few ways to maintain sustainability. First one, lifestyle. The lifestyle is your choice and you can change it. Always carry a cloth bag while you're going to grocery shops. Avoid plastics. Second one, fixing. If your toy or watch is broken, don't just buy a new one. Try fixing it. And the next one, reuse or recycle. Be conscious about the things around you. Maybe you can reuse or recycle some of the things. And the last one, needs versus wants. Before you buy something, you should ask yourself, do I need this or do I want this? Remember, sustainability always begins with you. So act locally and think globally. Thank you. Have a nice day.